Behind the velvet curtain. In the bustling world of fame, where cameras never stop flashing and red carpets seem endless, Sean, a powerful music mogul, hid a dark secret. His lavish parties drew attention, but not for their glamour. They were whispered about, infamous for darker reasons. Some who attended were never seen again in the same way. Sean's parties weren't just about music. Behind closed doors, they became twisted, private shows of power and control. Promises of fame lured many young men and women alike into dangerous situations. In exchange for a moment of Sean's attention or a possible career boost, they unknowingly walked into a trap. One of Sean's most notable guests, Justin, a rising star in the industry, found himself ensnared in Sean's game. At first, it seemed like the opportunity of a lifetime: private meetings with the mogul, exclusive invites to Sean's elite gatherings. But the excitement quickly faded as Justin realized the darker undertones of Sean's behavior. Rumors of Sean's exploitation of vulnerable individuals began to surface. He controlled them not just with promises, but with drugs and threats. Secret recordings, laced drinks, and coercion became the tools of his trade. Many, too scared to speak out, remained silent, their voices trapped in the shadows of Sean's influence. Over time, Sean's reputation took a hit. People began to speak up, some in public, others through anonymous statements. Slowly, the pieces of the puzzle came together. What had once been hidden behind wealth and fame began to unravel. Victims stepped forward, revealing the emotional and physical abuse they endured at the hands of the mogul. They spoke of being forced into disturbing acts, manipulated, and controlled. A wave of lawsuits followed, spearheaded by Tony, a determined lawyer seeking justice for the victims. As more voices came forward, it became clear that Sean's empire was built not just on music, but on fear and exploitation. Despite his public denial and powerful legal team, the evidence mounted. Sean's fall from grace was swift. What had once been whispered about in secret became headline news. The world now knew the truth behind the velvet curtain. While the music industry buzzed with news of his downfall, Sean's victims began their journey toward healing. But for Sean, the echoes of his past were too loud to ignore. No amount of fame, wealth, or legal defense could shield him from the consequences of his actions. The mogul who once ruled the industry was now a prisoner of his own dark legacy.